An SEL journey starts when a teacher opens the class passport and selects the day's destination and social-emotional learning theme. From there, a listening activity introduces the SEL competency as a big idea and ends with a discussion question. Teachers then facilitate a brief discussion with students about the big idea and how it applies to their own lives. Next, it's time to travel the world. Students are introduced to the country they are visiting and learn the name and cultural context of the dance that inspired the movements they will learn. When it's time to move, students learn a solo routine with 4 simple movements. And on days when partner skills are addressed, they learn a friendship step and turn the whole thing into a partner routine. The journey ends with a final challenge that revisits the big idea and connects it to movement. SEL Journeys uses movement and cultural learning to create a world of kind and joyful classrooms.